Okay guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to use your smartphone to start a YouTube channel. Okay guys, it's your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and in this video, just like I said, I'll be showing you how to use your smartphone to start your YouTube channel. As we all know, most people want to start their YouTube channel, but they think that they need a laptop or a camera or something big to start their YouTube channel. But with just your smartphone, you can start your YouTube channel and even gain a lot of people following you for what you do. And I'm going to show you how to open up your YouTube channel and start posting on your YouTube channel just with your smartphone. But before we do that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. Okay, so I'm right here on my screen, and I know you might be wondering why I am showing you a laptop screen when I'm trying to show you how to use your smartphone to create a YouTube channel. Well, this is just for a little presentation. And this presentation is just to show you the tips you need to put in place before you start creating your YouTube channel. So starting a YouTube channel with a smartphone can be a great way to share your thoughts, talent, and experience with a wider audience. So these are some tips that will help you. Firstly, since you are using a smartphone, you need to invest in a good smartphone. Most especially if you are going to be using cameras. You understand, a good smartphone with a high quality camera and video capability will help you produce professional looking videos. So ensure you're using a good smartphone so you can get good video qualities and also make it easy for you to edit your videos on your smartphone. The second aspect here is for you to choose a niche. So before you start a YouTube channel, you need to know what your YouTube channel is all about. Are you starting a YouTube channel on cooking, or you're starting a YouTube channel on football or something else? You understand, it depends on you. So think about what you want to share on your channel. It could be a hobby, a passion, or something you have expertise on. As for me, my own channel, I teach you about digital marketing, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and many more. So choose what you want your channel to be about. So the other aspect is for you to plan your content. So before you start your YouTube channel, plan your content ahead. So what many newbies on YouTube face is that they post their first video, their second video, their third video, and they get discouraged when they have done all of that. So the best advice is that you plan 10 content ahead of opening your YouTube channel, so you have videos that you post over time and you create more videos ahead. So decide on the type of videos you want to make and create a content calendar to help you stay organized. You can say, I want to upload videos at least twice every week. So when you get started, you have recorded videos for at least 3 weeks or probably a month. So with time, you continue to record more. So plan your content ahead of time. Then the fourth one is edit your videos. It depends on the type of videos you are trying to put out there as a YouTuber. So most especially, you'll be editing your videos, and you can use a video editing app to trim and cut your videos, add music, include text and other graphics content into your videos. And some example of the apps you can use to edit your videos are CapCut, InShot, and KineMaster. I'll be doing a full video on how to use each of these apps on my channel. So stay tuned to the channel, ensure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on these videos. So the fifth one here is promote your channel. You can share your videos on social media and engage with your audience to build your following. If you check out my own videos on my channel, I share it on my Facebook account, my Instagram account, and sometimes on my TikTok to also increase my followership right here on YouTube. So ensure you promote your channel. Don't just post and expect people to watch your video. Yes, people will watch your video, but if you share, you will increase your engagement much more better. So, and the last one here is be consistent. This is what differentiates the winners from the losers. You understand? If you post on your channel and you stay consistent, you will grow on YouTube. You understand? Try to post new videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more on your channel. So as for me, I've been able to upload a reasonable number of videos on my channel, and my channel has grown over time. You understand? So that being said, we are going to be moving into the practical aspects, but following these tips, you will be able to create a successful YouTube channel with just your smartphone. So let's go into the practical aspect where I show you how to create your YouTube channel with your smartphone. Okay, so in order for you to create a YouTube account, you need to have a Gmail account. So just go into the YouTube app just like this, and you then click on that icon. If you already have a Gmail account on your phone, then you should see the Gmail account here. As for me, this is my own Gmail account I'm trying to use. Then I will now continue with my channel creation. So ensure you are signed into your Gmail account, then you will be logged into your YouTube. So you see this point that says your channel, just tap on it, and they will ask you what you want to name your channel. So the first one, as you can see, there's a profile picture, while the second one is what you want to name your channel. So put the profile picture and then click to now rename your channel. Now name your channel what you want to name your channel. So as for me, I'm trying to name this channel Motivation. So I named this channel Motivation and Growth, so I leave it visible for everybody. Then your handle, you can now give it your handle. So what do you want to name it? So for me, I'll just say my handle is Motivation Growth Club. So as you can see, I will leave it at Motivation Growth Club. So this is what I am naming my channel. If I am satisfied with it, I will just continue and click on the Create Channel button. So as you can see, my channel has been created, and you can begin to customize your channel. You understand? Talking about customizing your channel, all you just have to do is ensure you have put in your profile picture. Ensure that you use a cover photo. You need to put a cover photo behind this cover picture. And for you to do that, just click on this point that says this pencil icon. So as you can see right here, you can change the cover photo. So for you to know the cover photo size, just Google it and you will see the cover photo size for YouTube. You can use CANVA website to create your cover photo for your YouTube. Also put your profile picture. Now as you can see here, this is my YouTube name, this is my YouTube handle, and this is like my YouTube link where I get to share to people. Then the description is like the description of your channel, what your channel is all about. Okay, my channel is about cooking, my channel is about motivation, as you can see as mine. Then this is just it. Once you are satisfied with everything, you just save it and you go back. You understand? So now we are in the aspect of creating your videos. You understand? I've talked about from the beginning, you already know the kind of videos you want to start creating because of what your channel is all about. As for me, I want to start posting videos about motivation. So motivational kind of videos what I post on this channel. Although I might not be posting a motivational video, but this is how to post your first video. Just click on this button that says create. As you can see, you have three options for you to create. You can either create a short. What we call short, YouTube short, is posting videos that are between 1 to 30 seconds. You understand? Then if you are posting videos above 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 minutes, it comes onto uploading a major video. Then if you want to go live, this is where you go live. But let's say I want to upload something like a short. So all I just need to do is to just either record my screen. As you can see, this is my computer, or I can just choose from my phone. It depends on you. So let's say I want to choose from my phone. I'll just select this short video right here.
If you fall and get up, that's what makes you a man.
So once I'm done, I can either resize it. See, I'll just click on this icon here that says good. I'll just tap on it.
If you fall and get up, that's what makes you a man. If you fall and
you can begin to add sounds. You can see you can add various kind of sound. It depends on you. But if you already have your video edited, you just click on next. So as you can see, my video is ready for me to go. All I just need to do is just click on here, name my video what I want to name it. For example, I want to say motivation to grow is like the name of this YouTube video I'm uploading right now. Then once I'm satisfied, if you see at this point that says visibility, it can either be unlisted or it can be public. If you choose unlisted, it means that the video will not be public on your channel. Only anybody who has access to that YouTube link can watch it. If you want it to be public, you select public. Because I don't want this video to be public yet, I'll leave it on unlisted. Then selecting audience, you can most times select that it's not made for kids. If your videos are made for kids, you just choose it's made for kids. So once that is done, you just click and you are satisfied with everything. All you just need to do is to just click on upload your video. Although mine is a short, but yours, even if it's a long video, it will be uploaded. If you see, as you can see right here, the video is uploading, and once it's done, my video will show on my channel and I can begin to share it to people. So as you can see, they say my video is ready to watch, and I can begin to share my video to people and get them to see my video. So that being said, if I now go over to my channel, you might not see the video because I didn't upload it. You understand? I did not upload that video, but you can begin to see everything about your channel. So if you want to manage your videos, let's say you have uploaded a lot of videos, you want to manage your videos, you can see this point. Once you tap there, you see all the videos that you have uploaded. You can begin to manage them. You can delete, edit anything you want to edit, and just continue with your channel. And if you want to see your channel statistics, you can click on this point right here to see the metrics about how people are watching your videos, how people are engaging with your videos, and just everything about your engagement on YouTube. So that being said, this is how you can actually create your YouTube channel. You understand? But as you can see, I did not go overview on how to upload all of these. But for you, you need to take your time and do all of that. You understand? Just click on the pencil icon, edit everything, and get ready with that. On another video that I made on this channel, I have shown you the best apps you can use to edit your video on your smartphone to make it look professional on your channel. If you're interested in that video, you can check the link on the description of this particular video to watch that same video. If you got value from that session, ensure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. And also don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video so it can grow on the YouTube algorithm and people like you who need it will get to see it. So that being said, I'm going to see you on the next video. Take care and have fun.